What if I told you that in 2025, you don't need thousands of dollars to start investing? What if the biggest financial opportunities are waiting for people who only have a few bucks, but the courage to start? However, most people don't believe that small money can grow big. They wait, they overthink, and they miss the right moment. So today, let's break that myth. Let's talk about how to start investing in 2025 with whatever you've got, even if it's just your pocket change. Chapter 1. The Power of Starting Small. Imagine you're holding just $10 in your hand. To most people, that's barely enough for lunch. But what if you could turn that $10 into the foundation of your financial future? Here's the truth. Every empire starts small. Every investor you admire today began with less than you think. They didn't wait for the perfect time. In 2025, technology has made investing easier than ever. You don't need fancy brokers or insider connections. All you need is a phone, an internet connection, and the willingness to take the first step. That small step is what separates dreamers from doers. Chapter 2. Why most people never start. So why do so many people hesitate? Because they think investing is only for the rich. But that's just a story society tells to keep you scared. I'll invest when I have more money. But that moment rarely comes. Bills appear, emergencies happen, and the dream keeps getting delayed. However, the best investors don't wait for perfect timing. They create it. If you start with $10, you're not just investing money. You're investing in discipline. You're training your brain to think long-term, to believe that even small steps matter. Chapter 3. The Magic of Compounding. Let's talk about something that feels like a secret superpower: compounding. It's simple, but it's the most powerful force in finance. Imagine your small investment growing on its own, like a snowball rolling down a hill, picking up more snow with every turn. That's what happens when your money earns interest, and then that interest earns more interest. Even a few dollars consistently invested can grow into something massive. But the key is time and patience. So instead of saying, "I don't have enough," say, "I'll start now and let time do its job." Compounding rewards the early movers, not the big spenders. Chapter 4. Choosing the right platforms. In 2025, back in the day, investing meant walking into a bank or calling a broker. But in 2025, you can start from your phone in seconds. Apps like Robinhood, eToro, and Acorns make micro-investing simple. You can buy tiny pieces of big companies, even if you can't afford a full share. But here's a tip. Don't just choose the most popular app. Choose the one that matches your goals. Some apps are great for beginners, others are better for learning. Read reviews, watch tutorials, and find what fits your comfort level. Remember, your investment journey is personal. Make it yours. Chapter 5. Understanding what you're buying. Now, here's where most beginners go wrong. They invest in something they don't understand. It's like buying a car without knowing how to drive. Before you buy any stock, crypto, or fund, take a moment to learn what it actually does. Ask yourself, what problem does this company solve? Do I believe in its future? The goal isn't to gamble, it's to grow. So, focus on learning before earning. Read about companies you already know, maybe the phone you're using, or the platform you're watching this video on. Investing is easier when you relate to it. Chapter 6. The 70-20-10 Rule. Here's a simple rule that can change how you handle money. The 70-20-10 Rule. Spend 70% of your income on needs, save 20%, and invest 10%. You don't have to start big. Even if you earn $100 a week, invest $10. That $10, when done consistently, turns into a habit. And habits are what make you rich. Not luck, not timing. The best investors don't make one big move. They make small moves every day. 2025 is the perfect time to build that muscle. Chapter 7. Diversify like a pro. Now let's talk about a word that sounds fancy but is actually simple. Diversification. It means not putting all your eggs in one basket. If you invest everything in one stock or one type of asset, a single bad day can ruin you. So, spread your money out. A little in stocks, a little in ETFs, maybe some in crypto or bonds. The goal isn't to chase every trend, it's to balance risk. Think of it like a diet. Too much of one thing isn't healthy, but a little of everything keeps you strong. Chapter 8. The Emotion Trap. Money is emotional. And investing? It's a roller coaster. One day, your investments go up and you feel like a genius. The next day, they fall and panic kicks in. But here's the truth. Emotions are the biggest enemy of investors. When you see red numbers, don't rush to sell. When you see green, don't rush to buy more out of excitement. Stay calm. The market rewards patience, not panic. The people who win are the ones who can control their emotions when everyone else is losing their minds. Chapter 9. Long-term mindset in a short-term world. In 2025, everyone wants instant results. But investing is a long game. You can't plant a seed and expect a tree overnight. The trick is consistency. Set up automatic investments, forget about daily price changes, and focus on your goals. If you start small today and stay consistent, in 5 years you'll thank yourself. The people who wait until next year usually end up starting never. So don't overthink it. Act. The earlier you start, the more powerful your results become. Chapter 10. Building your financial future. Let's paint a picture. It's 2030. You look at your portfolio, and that small amount you started with, the one you almost laughed at, has grown. Not because you had a lot of money, but because you had the courage to begin. That's the real win. Investing isn't about predicting the future. It's about preparing for it. Every small step counts. Every dollar you invest is a vote for your future self. So stop waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time is now, and it's yours to take. Chapter 11. The reality of small money. Let's be honest, small money won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it will do something more important. It'll change how you think about money. You'll start noticing patterns, opportunities, and lessons that others miss. You'll stop wasting money on things that don't grow. And once you develop that mindset, you'll never look at money the same way again. Because now, every coin you save has a purpose. Every dollar you invest has potential. That shift in mindset is worth more than any short-term gain. Chapter 12. Using AI tools to invest. Smarter 2025 isn't just another year. It's the age of smart investing. AI tools are now helping people analyze markets, manage portfolios, and make decisions faster than ever. You don't need to be a financial expert. AI does the heavy lifting. However, don't rely blindly. Use AI as your assistant, not your boss. Learn from it, question it, and let it make you sharper. If this story opened your eyes, remember this. It's not about how much you start with, it's about starting. So go take that first step today. And hey, if you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe for more stories that help you grow, invest, and take control of your future. Because your journey doesn't end here. It starts right now.